Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add a logo to your Canva design. Alright guys, so you can go about doing this once you open up Canva. Make sure you have an account. Seeing as we're starting from scratch, you could on the home section you could either open up one of your recent designs and add your logo on here, or you could use the templates option to simply search for a couple of templates and simply add your logo to those templates. For me, I'm going to be going with my recent design, which is this, and I'm going to be opening up this design. All right, so once the design has opened up, it's quite easy to add a logo to this design. This is my channel's logo on this character. And now to add this logo onto this design or any design of your choice, just head over to uploads here, click on uploads, and then simply click on upload file. So when you click on the upload file option, you have a list of files you can upload depending on where your logo is stored. You could just simply scroll till you find your channel's logo and simply select that logo and add it to this design. So let's go ahead and pretend like this is my logo. Just click on it here and click on open, and it's going to be uploaded to your uploads. Now from the upload menu, all you need to do is simply scroll through and click on the design. Most times the design would have a background. Now you could either use the Canva premium background remover to simply remove the background, or you could use remove.bg. That's the website. You could search up remove.bg to simply remove any background clutter from your designs. You could just empty out a certain design by using remove.bg. You could just upload your file to remove.bg and it's going to remove the background automatically, 100% and free. All right, so let's just go with the background remover from Canva. And once the background has been removed, you could simply resize your logo so it fits into your design like this. And you can place it at any point of the picture to showcase ownership of it. All right, guys, and that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.